My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware type application that is called Drinker. Drinker is the adware that is often spread through integration with some free applications, and that's the problem, because in most of the cases people just download and install this Drinker adware unintentionally without realizing that they are actually installing adware. You may trace this Drinker adware if you go to the task manager, and you will find some processes that could be running in the background. There may be a lot of such processes with the same name. In my case, the name is Drinker Application 2022. So when you right click on the process and choose the option to open file location, this will bring you to the special folder called Drinker, and the executable is also called Drinker. Anyway, this adware may be in control of your browser and your computer in general. It may permanently show its multiple advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. The developers claim that this is some handy application that can assist you in notifying you when it's time to drink some tea or coffee or whatever you prefer. But the trouble is that this Drinker program is the typical adware. By the way, there is a direct tutorial, direct article in the description for the video. Please find that link. It will give you more helpful information about this particular adware specifically. To remove this adware, I recommend you to carefully check the control panel of your system. If you find this Drinker program, right click on it and simply uninstall it. But the point is that very often uninstalling the adware works very well and helpful, but it could be that there is some other possibly hidden adware or malware in the system, and it may also do this malicious job in a secret manner. I recommend you to carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the software, and begin scanning and researching your system with its help. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus is successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching and investigating your computer. It will then show you the full report about the threats that were found during the scan. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, unwanted browser extensions, and other threats. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add certain folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. You should wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus is successfully accomplished. Then at the end of the scanning, Combo Cleaner will give you the whole information about the threats, about their exact locations on the system. And based on that locations information, of course, you will be able to remove some threats manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.